Let's make one more tutorial in Autodesk Fusion. In this video, you learn how to design an universal joint. So open the Fusion and let's go. The first step to create the universal joint, we'll make the part 1 fork. And here will be the midpoint. And the first thing that we'll make, we'll create a construction line with 56 millimeters. And we'll make this sketch. The fillet we'll make later, and this line has 15 millimeters, this line 19 millimeters. The distance between this line here and this one is 42 millimeters. So open the Fusion and go to Assembly, select the new component. The name here will be fork and press OK. Go to create a sketch, select the front plane, select line, a construction line. Click here in the midpoint, make a construction line with 56 millimeters of length. And select the line again, but remove the construction line type. Make this sketch. And go to constraint, select horizontal vertical, select this point and this point here. Go to sketch dimension, the distance here 15 millimeters, the distance here 19 millimeters, and the distance between these two lines is 42 millimeters. We made this. Now go to mirror, the object, select this line. I made 2 lines here, sorry. Select this line here, and the mirror line, select this construction line and press OK. Finish the sketch. We need to extrude this. The distance between these 2 points, it will be 34 millimeters. So go to extrude, select this profile, the direction symmetric, measurement whole length, the distance 34 millimeters. Operation new body, press OK. We made this. Now we'll make this fillet here. This fillet has 17 millimeters. So to make this, we use the full round fillet. So go to fillet, the fillet type, select the full round fillet. Select this face, add selection set, select this face and press OK. We made this. Now we'll make this fillet with 15 millimeters and this one. So go to fillet again, the type, select the fillet, select this edge, this one, this edge and this one, 15 millimeters of radius and press OK. We made this. Now we'll make this cylinder here. So here we have a circle with 34 millimeters of diameter and we have a hole here with 19 millimeters of diameter, and we needed to extrude the cylinder 20 millimeters. So go to create a sketch, select this face, select the circle, make a circle here with 34 millimeters, and make another circle here with 19 millimeters of diameter. Finish the sketch, go to extrude. Extrude this 20 millimeters, operation join and press OK. Show the sketch 2 again and go to extrude, select the circle with 19 millimeters of diameter. The direction symmetric. The extended type, select all, operation cut and press OK. Hide the sketch 2. We made this. Let me show for you. We made this, okay. Now we'll make this hole here. This hole has 6 millimeters of diameter, and the distance between the center of this hole and this face here is 10 millimeters. So go to create a sketch, select the front plane, select a circle, make a circle with 6 millimeters of diameter. and go to sketch dimension, the distance here 10 millimeters, and go to constraint, horizontal, vertical, select this point and the midpoint. We made this, finish the sketch, and go to extrude. The extrusion here, select all, operation cut, and press OK. We made this cut here. Now go to create and select the circular pattern. The object type, select the features. The object, select this cut. And the axis, select this circle here. The quantity here is 4. And press OK. We made this. Okay. Now we'll make this cut here. This cut has 12 millimeters of diameter, and the distance between the center of the circle and this edge here is 16.5. So it is not concentric with this arc, okay? So go to create a sketch and select this face here. Select the circle, make a circle here with 12 millimeters of diameter, and go to sketch dimension, click with the right button and select the pick circle arc tangent. Select this arc here and this circle. The distance here 16.5. And go to constraint, select horizontal, vertical, select the circle and the midpoint here. Finish the sketch, go to extrude, select this profile. The direction, one side, the extend, select all, flip the direction, operation cut, and press OK. We made this. Now we need to make a fillet here in this body. The fillet has 3 millimeters of radius. So let's create this. Go to modify and select the fillet. Select this edge here, this edge, and select this edge here. The fillet here is 3 millimeters. Add selection set and select this edge here, 3 millimeters, and press OK. We made this. Now I will add some color here. Press letter A in the keyboard. I will paint this. Select the painting, glossy. It will be red. Press OK. We made this. Now save this file. Universal joint. And here activate this universal joint. And here click with the right button, copy and paste. Move this a little bit and press OK. Now we'll make the part number 2, the nut. So the first thing that we'll make, we'll select the top plane and make a square. 25.4 millimeters in the both sides. And we have a circle here with 12 millimeters of diameter. And we need to extrude this 15 millimeters. So let's create this. So hide the fork 1 and 2 and go to assembly, select the new component. The name here will be nut. Press OK. Go to create a sketch and select the top plane and select the 2-point rectangle, center rectangle, click here in the midpoint. 25.4 by 25.4. Press OK. And select the circle. Make a circle here in the midpoint with 12 millimeters of diameter and press OK. Finish the sketch, go to extrude, select this profile, extrude this, the direction, symmetric, measurement, whole length, and the distance 15 millimeters. Operation new body, press OK. We made this. Now, let's make the chamfer here. The chamfer is 5 by 5 millimeters. So go to modify, select the chamfer, select this edge, this edge, this edge, and this one. The distance here is 5 millimeters. And press OK. Now we'll make the cut in the other side. The cut has 12 millimeters of diameter. So let's create this. So go to create a sketch and select this face, or select this plane, select the circle, make a circle here with 12 millimeters. Finish the sketch, make sure that the circle is in the center of the plane, and go to Extrude, Direction, Symmetric, Measurement, Whole Length, and the extended type, select all, and press OK. We made this. Now go to Circular Pattern, the object type, select the features, the object, select this cut, the axis, select this circle, the quantity here is 2, distribution here partial, 90 degrees, and press OK. We made this. Now I will add some color here, press letter A in the keyboard, it will be blue. Okay, we made this. Now active the universal joint. Let's see the others component here. Let me move this component a little bit and save the file. And now we will create the component 3, the bolt. And here, to create this, we'll select the front plane and make this construction line. And make this sketch here. The distance between these two lines here, 33 millimeters. The distance here, 7 millimeters. And the distance here will be 6 millimeters. And the distance here will be 7 millimeters. Okay? So hide the fork 1, 2, and 3. And go to Assembly, select a new component. The name here will be bolt. And press OK. And go to create a sketch and select the front plane. Select a line. Make this sketch here. Go to sketch dimension. The distance here 33 millimeters. The distance here 7 millimeters. This line here has 7 millimeters and this line here has 6 millimeters. And go to finish the sketch and go to Revolve. The axis, select this line here. Operation new body, press OK. Now we need to create a chamfer here with 1 millimeters. So go to modify, select the chamfer. The type equal distance, select this edge here, 1 millimeters, and press OK. We made this. Now active the universal joint. Show the others component. I will move this a little bit. And in this exercise, we will need 4 bolts. 1, 2 in the bottom side here, and in this face we have 1 more. So click with the right button here, copy this and paste. Capture position, move this a little bit, press OK, paste again, Ctrl V, press OK, and paste 1 more, and press OK. We made this. Now Click with the right button here in the fork and unground from parent. Make the same for the fork 2, unground from parent. And in the nut, click with the right button and ground to parent. Move this a little bit. And here, go to assembly, select joint. Select this circle and this one. Flip the direction and press OK. Make the same for the other component here, the bolt and the fork. We made this. Now go to assembly and select the constraint components. And the type here, select the center. And the component 1 will be this fork. So select this face and this face here. And the component 2 will be the nut. So select this face and this face. We made this, press OK. And go to constraint again. And the type here, select the align, select this surface here, and select this face here, this circle, to make this concentric, and press OK. We made this. Now make the same for this one. Let me rotate this a little bit. Go to constraint, and the type here, center, select this face and this face here. And in the nut, select the top face and the bottom face. And press OK. And go to constraint again, select this face and this face here to make this concentric. And press OK. We made this, OK. Now we'll make the bush number 4. So to create this bush, we'll make a cylinder with 30 millimeters of diameter and 30 millimeters of length. And in the center, we have a hole with 20 millimeters of diameter. And in the corners, we have a chamfer with 1 millimeters. So go to assembly, select the new component. The name here will be bush. And press OK. Hide the others component. And go to create and select the cylinder. Select the top plane, capture position, click here in the midpoint. The diameter here is 30 millimeters. And we need to extrude this 30 millimeters. And press OK. The hole here, 20 millimeters. So go to create, select the hole, select this face. And the extend, select the all. Add reference, click here in this arc. And the diameter, 20 millimeters. And press OK. We made this. Now we need to create this chamfer with 1 millimeters. So go to modify, select the chamfer, select this edge and this edge here, 1 millimeters. And press OK. Press letter A in the keyboard. I will paint this yellow. OK. Active the universal joint and show the others component and save this project. I will move this a little bit. Now click with the right button here and copy this and paste, Ctrl V capture position, move this a little bit, press OK. Now we'll make the part 5, the pin. So to create this, we'll make a construction line here in the center, a line, sorry, in the center, and create this sketch here. We have the dimensions, 2 millimeters here, 10 millimeters, 3, and here is 6. And we'll use the Revolve features to make this body. So go to Assembly and select the new component. The name here will be pin. Press OK. Hide the others component. And go to create a sketch. Select the front plane. Select line. Make this sketch here. Go to sketch dimension. The distance here 2 millimeters. The distance here 10. 3 millimeters here and 6 here. And finish the sketch, go to Revolve. The axis, select this line and press OK. Show the others component. I will move this a little bit here. Show the others component. And activate the universal joint. Let me ground it to parent here. Okay, let me move this a little bit. And here we'll need to make 8 of this one, 4 for each side. So go to Assembly, select the joint, and select this one, and select this face here, the center of this face. Flip the direction. Let me hide this bush here and press OK. We made this. We need to create more 3 in this side, but first copy this and paste, Ctrl V. Move this a little bit here, press OK. And here go to circular pattern. The component, the object type, select the component. The object, select this component. The axis, select this arc here. Quantity 4. Press OK. We need to create a joint. So go to joint. Select this arc here and select the center of this face. Press OK. The same for this one. Select this arc and the center of this face. And the same here. Press joint or letter J. Now make the same for the other side. I use the circular pattern to copy this. We made this. Now we'll make the shaft. So to create the shaft, we'll create a line here. This line will have 110, 20, 130 millimeters of length. And here we'll make this line here. This line has 25/2, 10 millimeters, and create a line here with 100 millimeters. And we'll make this sketch here 10 millimeters, and the distance between this line and this one, it will be 25/2. So let's create this. Go to assembly, select a new component. The name here will be shaft, and press OK. I will hide the others component here. And go to create a sketch, select the front plane, select line, click here in this point, 130 millimeters. Make a line here with 10 millimeters, a line here with 100 millimeters. And here, make a line here, this line has 10. Go to sketch dimension, the distance here is 25/2. And here, we'll make this two line here. The distance between these two lines and this one is 19/2. And here we will create, this line has 7, and this one has 7, and here has 6, and the distance between this line and this one is 3 millimeters. So select line, make this sketch here, 3 millimeters here, 6 here. Go to constraints, equal, go to sketch dimension, the distance here, 19/2. Go to constraints, horizontal, vertical, select this point and this point here. We made this. Now finish the sketch and go to Revolve. The axis, select this line and press OK. Now we need to create this cut here. So this cut has a rectangle with 20 by 6 millimeters. So let's create this. Go to create a sketch, and here select the top plane and go to create project, include project, selection filter body, select this body here and press OK. You can hide this body a little bit. Select the 2-point rectangle, click on this line, make a rectangle here 6 by 20 millimeters. And go to constraint, select the midpoint, select this line and this one, and finish the sketch. We need to make this cut. So the plane is here. So we'll make offset plane with offset extrusion with 7 millimeters of distance. So go to extrude, select this rectangle, show the body one. The start here, select the offset, the distance 7 millimeters. The extended type, select the all, operation cut, and press OK. We made this cut here. Now active the universal joint and show the others component. I will move this a little bit. And we needed to make a copy of this shaft. So click with the right button here, copy, and press Ctrl V to paste. And press OK. Now here, go to assembly, select the joint, select this circle here, and this one, and press OK. Let me see the analysis. Let me change the analysis direction here. Look that it is how it is working. Okay, now go to joint again and select this circle here and select this one, flip the direction and press OK. Show the analysis here. We made this. And now go to assembly, select the joint, select this circle here and this one, flip the direction. The motion here is revolute and press OK. Make the same for this one. Go to assembly, select the joint, select the circle and select this one. Flip the direction, the motion here, select revolute and press OK. Now I will move this a little bit here and a little bit here. Okay. Click with the right button here in the bush tool and select the pin, capture position. Click in the bush one and select the pin. And click here in nut with the right button and select on ground from parent. We made this. Now you can click here and hold. And you can rotate this. So here we finish our exercise. So thanks for watching. Subscribe my channel for more. And see you in the next videos. Bye bye.